So today we're out here with the Navy doing tests on a vessel with our new VT516. This day is to get data on what's the behavior on naval operations. What I mean this is, with a vessel, how does it behave taking off and landing? First on a stationary behavior, and then with a moving vessel, which complicates it a bit. This will be inputted into our software to do autonomous landings later on the year. Beyond Vision has always had a strong relationship with the Portuguese Navy. First and foremost because they were our big first customer, and because they have our drones, it's been really a good symbiotic relationship where we get to have operational feedback and real world data to input into our drones, everything we do, the whole ecosystem, and they get to have fine tunes for their drones, or all of their systems tuned around them. Now it's time to get back to the lab, crunch all of this data, see where we can improve, and put that into the software we're developing for autonomous landings.